No, we need a new one. Perfect. Okay, let's continue. We'll continue until we get to the merchant again, and then I need to take a minute because my cat is roaming around. He's been so chill all day, and then has decided super last minute he's gonna freak the fuck out. Any treasure? No. There we go. No treasure. Oh, I thought you were yellow. Okay.
Their defenses are no joke.
Yeah. We can see.
That's gotta be their sanctuary.
Oh, there she is, our girl.
Ashley.
Poor Ashley. I love her outfit. I probably could kill them now, but if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna get a little bit of assistance. Imagine I've taken them out of the game. Hey, that's pretty. Look at all that shit. That's gonna be so much fun. Oh, okay, brilliant. I need to go feed my cat. Probably should have done that before stream, but I kind of started streaming early and panicked. I just realized I could have stopped the stream straight away and then left it for a little bit. But you know.
Welcome.
Oh.
What you buying?
Right, how much do we sell that knife for? Combat knife. Oh!
I'll buy almost anything.
Does it... Well, do you know what? We're going to repair it and see if it...
Crossing your T's, dotting your I's. That's the way to be.
No, it's the same. We didn't have to repair it. And we'll keep the fighting knife. Whoa.
Your valuables won't do you much good in the combat.
Yeah, wait a second.
What can I do you?
Wait a second. Compare weapons. Compare this to the fighting knife?
You have a ticket, do ya? Nice. Choose a weapon, stranger, and I'll make you see.
Because that knife, they're currently the same level.
Makes no difference, stranger.
So.
Ooh, I'll pay a pretty penny for that.
Well, yeah. Okay, there's nothing here. I need you to pop your head out, my guy. Just shoot him right in the balls. Oh!
What was that?
Is that the man? I can't remember his name. Woo! Ooh! Okay, where are they?
Honeykin, I owe you one.
I'm right here. Ooh! Oh, that wasn't fair. That works. Thanks, my guy. I'm just gonna... Hey. Let's go. Run. Run out. Now they're all in, come on, all in open area. Come on, they're all here. They're all in open area. Ooh! Oh, sorry, you keep hitting me. Yeah, we've been saying that all game, my guy. Oh, fucker. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off. Oh, what am I doing? Girl! Oh my god, what am I doing? I am losing it. I've been so good. Oh. There we go. That was good, I think. Oh my god. You guys got it. I believe in you. Come on, come get me. Okay, hungry for loot. Is there someone else here? No. Okay, sorry, Mike. I'm a bit busy. Anything up here for me? Oh, yes, there is. Okay. There's treasure. Is that inside? Better be. There's treasure right here. I think it might be outside. Let's go around. Mike's like, dude, get going. Hey, I heard you. Okay. Ooh, our health is a bit questionable. Just in case, because this is about to get a wee bit dicey. Then is stocked up. Okay.
Take a break before you join in on the fun.
Alright. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, Leon, move. Oh, they got it.
What can I say? I never miss.
I never miss.
Not bad at all.
Come on. Oh. I got it, my guy. You gotta be careful. I think I am gonna die here because I'm getting a little bit loot hungry. Okay. How do we get to that? So assume, yeah.
Better give him what he wants.
Okay. Okay, well. Shit. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. No.
Twisty son of a bitch.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, who's shooting me? Okay. There's no one up there. Okay, can I go in here? No. Can I go around it? I have to go up, okay. That's fine. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, fuck off! Leon! Oh, fuck off! I wanted to... Oh, it did nothing. Oh, fuck.
They keep coming.
Oh.
All right.
Probably wasting ammo there, but panicked. Oh, that's not what I wanted. No. I want rifle, shotgun ammo, please. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Do they actually keep coming, or are they gonna give me a break? Or do they keep coming until I get rid of this? I have a feeling that's how it's gonna go. Can I do this? Okay. No? The music. Jesus. How loud is that? Is that too loud? Come on then. Come on. Oh. Down the stairs. Oh. 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 Who are you? Okay. Well, we need to do something about that. No. Okay, I can see him. Okay, that'll do. Fucking aim assist. Okay, I don't even know if this is the right way to go. Okay. I just feel like high ground is better. High ground is better. Oh, well, there's a gun there. Can we use that?
Time for a taste of your own.
Oh, yes. Yes.
All clear. Thanks, buddy. All right. Now watch me do my thing.
Oh, I did nothing. Oh, waste. Okay, let's fucking go. You can throw something here. Good luck. Nice try. Oh, girl. Oh, oh, fuck a bitch. I believe that is Mike. Oh my god. Fuck, fuck. Oh shit, boy, oh shit, boy. Wait, let me get out of the way before you try and help me. Should we try it? Oh, nice. Oh. Oh. I probably used way too much ammo there, but that was fun. That was fun. Okay, stop shooting now, please. I'm sweating. Like, literal sweat. Stop opening stuff. I have not got the ammo or the brain capacity to deal with this one. Okay. Oh my god, drop it! Drop it. This is like an ammo drain. That's the way the gate opens, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Please give me like a tiny break. Just for a minute. I don't think I have the ammunition for any of this right now, to be honest. We don't need yellow herbs anymore, but sure, I'll take it. Ay. Oh my god, we are so low. We're not touching the magnum again. That was fun, but we're not touching it again. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Oh. Ooh! Oh my god. Give me a break. Okay. Oh. Yeah, fuck off. Okay, do you guys want to come over here? I have a barrel here for you. Come on. No? Ooh! Why did I fucking try and dodge her? Okay. Again, nothing. Jesus. Okay, I need to...
They keep coming.
Can they stop? I need a fucking rest. This is a resource drain. Can I see him through this? Oh, I can. Right in the balls. Did he run? Can I see the other one? Aren't we lucky? Go on. This music is too loud, guys. Too loud, but we're powering through. Oh, fuck. I didn't get him. Oh! Hey, you can't get me, but I think I can get you. Oh, he got me. Okay, anyone else? Anybody else? Okay. Okay, I want one of those guns. Wherever the second wave hits. How do I get there? Ooh, yay, some machine gun ammo. Great. Would have been really good, actually. A machine gun would have been really, really good right now. Anyone? Oh my god, like, that's embarrassing. I didn't do, like, that was really pathetic of me. Is that? No. Really? motherfucker. Okay. Stop. This music needs to actually pack it in right now. That's fine. Come here, I dare ya.
You're serious?
Can I shoot him from here? Yeah, so this is empty. Oh, shit! Did I get everything? Oh, no! I thought... Well, how? Oh, I'll take that. Do they just, after a certain time, just keep... Oh. Do they keep throwing them at me? Oh, no. That is so embarrassing. Literally the one you fell down, girl. Oh, ladder right there. Jesus. Okay, is anyone gonna come out of there? Oh shit, I left rifle ammo over there? What time do we call this? I'm so happy you're here. Yeah, I did start stream super early and I feel... I can't fucking hear myself think. I actually started it and was like, whenever there was like a cutscene with Krauser and I was like, I need to end the stream. I can't start stream this early, that's really bad. And I was like, oh god, no one's gonna be here. I'm gonna be embarrassed. I'm gonna be alone. It's been torment. We've run out of everything. Look at our storage. Do you know what? Let's take a second. Let's take a second. How are you? How has your day been? Please, please tell me. I mean, I've been here for about an hour. I'm in the middle of cooking. I had a lot of screaming. You've been here the whole time then. I appreciate you. Yeah, it's been rough. I think I've learnt my lesson. I need to wait until the allotted time. Because Jesus fucking Christ, it has been brutal. We can make ammo actually. We can make it. Let's load everything first and then see what we need of. What are you cooking? I have 18 steaks. Oh, yum. I say that, I don't eat steak. So now we need to leave. Let's get the fuck out of here. There's no treasure here, so we're fine, right? Okay, I've turned the music down for myself a little bit because, good lord. Okay. Nothing here then.
Thanks.
Well.
Get out of here. Drinks are on me. I know a good bar.
Yeah, let's go! Yay! Game over! Yay, we did it! Woo! Sucks to be Ashley.
Nice and slow. What? Damn it!
Ah. I actually can't remember how this happened in the original. Yike. Ooh. Seller. Oh no. Okay, I've got this. I've got this.
I'll make sure you're the next to go.
Okay, yeah. Oh, excuse me! Oh, you fucker. I'm not gonna die to these bugs. I refuse. I refuse. I refuse. Oh. Oh, was that it? Why did that feel like there was only 3 there? Oh. Oh. Is that gonna be our last one? Guys, it's our last challenge. How exciting. Yay. Okay, we're gonna try and find it before, I don't know how many there is, but we're gonna shoot as many as we can before 5, there we go, before we find the blue paper. I see the blue paper. Did you fight Spider-Man? I did. I'm so sorry I started early today. It was a mess. You would have loved it. You would have laughed at me. You would have mocked me and it would have been so great. It was, but we did it first try. That's what that, yeah, we did it first try. And we didn't use all our ammo, but we did use all our ammo on whatever the fuck that just was. What's down here? And we have blue medallions to find. How are you today, Kushu? How has your day been? Hey, get lost. So it's even though our stream is like scheduled until like 11 or something, it's a weekend, so we can take a little bit longer. So if we finish the game and still have time, like, or if we just want to, we're gonna start Separate Ways today, because I know Separate Ways is like a decent amount of length, so we can start it today and finish it tomorrow. Staff of Royalty, is that sellable? Yeah. The bones of our brethren rest in all nations. The blood of our brethren provides food for all. We die only to be reborn. We live on through eternity. We reign absolute. Keenan Sadler. The blood of our brethren provides food for all. Dude, you be eating each other? There's treasure here? There's treasure? What's that? I deserve a fucking medal for that. We don't even have it on the map yet. Oh, I was in the wrong place. Treasure's over here. Oh, it's up there. Never mind. No one see any more now? Oh! Oh my god, we're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do it. I tried to zoom in on the handgun. It's embarrassing. Also, before I started streaming today, I was quite confident about the Krauser fight. And I was very confident about that situation, you know, like when you're breaking in here and you're having to deal with loads of people and you have Mike helping you. I was very confident. I was like, I've got this. It went so poorly. I used up all my ammo on that bit that I was confident about our next fight. I am not at all. All my confidence has gone out of the window. Oh. Oh. Hey, one more. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Like we... Ooh, 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 ooh. We are not equipped for this. We cannot miss. We can't not miss. Oh, I promise we can have laughs and jokes and reminisce about the games and all that shit once we get through this, because, oh, no. No, 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 no. Stop it. Oh. I don't want to do this. We did it. We got through them. How many is there going to be? We're fucked. Oh. Remind me to change my scope. The repairs were completed without issue. Since the facility was previously used for confinement, the work required to reinforce the airtight ceiling was minimal. And as long as we don't run into any issues with the cooling system test, we plan to bring in all of the remaining specimens from Facility 1. No infrascope, only some. No infrascope, only some. Am I missing a reference? That's so embarrassing. I'm stressed. Like, forgive me. If all specimens were successfully transferred, however, we experienced a slight hiccup during transport as one of them became violent. Luckily, the number of casualties was less than anticipated. Please be extra careful when dealing with them. We have received reports that they are beginning to acquire a tolerance to low temperatures. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we need to... I think we need to put this scope back on. Oh! I hear him. I hear him. I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna have to wait to kill me. Huh. Hello. Yes, one more. Imagine we do this first play. That would be so good. Thank you. Don't mind me. If you don't hit the bag, they stay asleep. Okay. Well, they're gonna make me hit the bag, aren't they? This is fine. This is fine. I've dealt with them. I just can't deal with more than like 2. Ooh. Can I... Oh my god, imagine I'm able to cheat my way out of this. Okay. Girl! Girl! Girl. Okay, let's stand here. Can I shoot? Oh my god, have we cracked it? I've agreed. Stay asleep. I hear treasure. No! I can kill him. We've seen it. I didn't have to kill all 4 in the incubation chamber thing, and I did it. I chose to set them all free and kill them all, and I did it well. Okay, the treasure's behind me. What am I even here for? Oh, do I have to fight them? Oh. Oh, oh, sorry. Yo, if you want to come out, just come out. Should we just do it? What if we shoot the bag? What if we shoot the bag? What if we shoot the bag? I think I'd rather do that than them... Can I shoot? Which one is it? Which one's moving? That one. Okay.
Not one of these again.
Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh my god. Where's my aim assist? There we go. Oh, wait. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, it's fine. I've got it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna let it hit me. I'm gonna let it hit me. Oh my god, can we make more? We're fucked. I have no ammo. Why did I make fucking shotgun ammo? Okay, it's you, isn't it? And I have to somehow walk around it and get back. Girl, it's not. It's fucking... Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh! Okay, thank God. We would have been fucked there because I would have had to use a grenade, which probably would have woken up a bunch more. Hello, my guy. That's us. Okay, thank God. That wasn't so bad. That would have been a lot more fun had I had fucking ammo. But, you know, I wasted it all. I did. I'll be back in a second. Do we have enough? Oh, we only have 1. Okay, well, I actually don't care about it that much. How does the New Game Plus work on this? Like, do we keep this shit? Or do we,
Not bad.
do we get rid of it? All weapons, treasure, money, spinals, charms, unlocked outfits, and bonus weapons. Spooky, my dear. This technically isn't cheating. This technically isn't at all, because we're seeing what you keep. Yeah, so you keep everything? Okay, no. You don't keep key items that are used for puzzles, but that's okay because that's part of the story. We better keep them. Because I would be concerned. I don't even know if we need this. I can't remember what happens here. There's the end of the ode for all of the end of the ode. End of the road for all of them. Should we sell that and buy the Killer 7? How much does this sell for? 400.
I'll buy it, stranger. Ooh, honestly, this might be the only gun you need.
Tune up. We have a new gun to tune up now. Okay.
We're starting to get an idea of your tastes, friend. There you are, as you wish. Dazzled, are you? Our craftsmanship demands no less. You've exhausted our normal range of services.
Now we should start New Game Plus with that thing.
Have we procured these?
I don't care, my guy. I really don't care. Okay, so my thought process is, look at how many spinals we have. We have earned enough to buy one of those. So I think we buy one, and then that way, like, we get to use it and we aren't cheating. Yeah? Why is it 40? I guess we buy the 30? Okay, so now we can use it.
Which weapon will you be given a shine?
I don't know.
Give us a shout.
What weapon? Woo! Or shotgun?
Knife needs care every once in a while.
Or magnum?
Could be the difference between
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So we could do the Killer 7, the Stingray, the Riot Gun, or the Red 9. I think magnum. We're doing it. This isn't cheating. Wait, okay, this isn't cheating. The Googling if I can keep things after, if you want to call that cheating, if you want to call research and preparation cheating, you go right ahead. But this isn't cheating. We earned the spinals. Where's my mouse? Here we go. We earned these through gameplay. We earned them through gameplay. And then we purchased, where is it? This. Wait, where is it? We purchased this. There was no cheating involved. This isn't one of the tickets that I bought. We bought this. We paid in-game money for this. We earn it. I'm so sorry. Just halfway through that rant, I caught a glimpse of myself in the camera and I was like, oh God. No, you don't have to be a part of it. It's fine. So we're going to go with the mag. The information gained to get here was gained by the... No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. That was a separate... This, the Googling, was a separate conversation to this, okay? Okay? You got the money by selling stolen jewelry. Oh, fucking hell. You're right. You're right. Oh, we get options. But we're going to use this one, not the paid one. Well, perfect. We're going out this way? Oh, shit. There's more shit going on? I thought I was done. We have no ammo. Wait. Oh, yeah. I forgot we bought a new... No. Girl. Thank you. Ew. I actually hate this. I don't like the scope. Fucking, it doesn't sound like something you should try at home. I don't know what I said. I just wasted my, Fuck! Oh, Jesus. Ah! You're so well hidden. I want more gunpowder! Okay, do you know what? god. I don't know what I'm doing here. Fucking die! Give me rifle ammo. A fish? What is going on? Guys, look what we got. We got rifle ammo and I can't waste it. I honestly cannot wait to waste every second of it. Ay, 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 ay. Hey, we can go up here. What's up here? Oh. Oh my god. Girl. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, girl. Oh my god. Girl. You. Fucking hell. That was embarrassing. Go on, go for it. Shoot. Oh, why did I look up? Am I playing this game? Leon. There we go. That was better. Fucker, where? Is it you? Oh. I kind of wanted to hit me. Where the fuck are they? You think I'm moving? Oh. Oh, it's you. You are so good. Nicely done. That was good. Oh, nice. You're good. I don't mind. I respect it. I respect it. That was really good. Okay, well, I'm gonna go this way if you don't mind. That was fun. Okay? That was fun. Okay, I do have to go back and check this way, I'm afraid. We're gonna... Oh, be careful. I don't know if I got everything. Okay. Can't wait to try out our Magnum. Oh. Hey, it's been a while. That is like in the ground. That's not fair. That's not fair. Oh. Okay. Oh, fucker! That's not fair. That's not fair. Let me... Okay. Aye. Hey, that was a whole lot of fun. Come on, boys. Let's go. Come on. Come this way. There's a whole thing here. You're gonna come that way. Oh wait. Wait. Can I?
Here you go.
Did that even work? Kinda. Oh. I'm having a bit too much fun here. Okay. Come on, line yourselves up for me. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this... I feel like I'm definitely doing this wrong way. But I'm having a good time. Oh, you're alive. Ooh, that I don't really want to deal with, so... Ah, that was fun. Used all our ammo. Again. Oh, shock. Oh, wait, there's stuff down there, isn't there? Whoa, that would have been terribly sad had I left all of this shit. Wasted rifle ammo on him as well. That's so embarrassing. 90% eliminations from the ladder camping. Honestly, we've been doing that since day one. Since day one, we've been ladder camping. Hey, whatever way I can make myself feel safe in this game, I'll take it. Yes. There cannot be more of them. I've killed so many of you guys. Can you please slow down? Like, give wee girl a break. Rifles. No. They give me 3? No, we already had 3. Oh. Okay, come on. Okay, well I wanna go collect this first. Thank you. What's in here? So we got something from here. Okay, more gunpowder. No! Actually, get fucked. I'm pretty sure New Game Plus, so the enemies are harder. And we've been struggling enough. Yes. Oh. I think we're more likely to get shotgun ammo, so we're gonna go ahead and make rifle ammo. Probably should make magnum ammo after we decide to use all of that. Hey, we need to move that. Okay. Okay. Where's... Sorry. I'm sorry. Let's load this bad boy up, and I guess we're up here then. I actually kind of want to... Oh, I like that. They put you through all that torment and then just give you loads of shit. I really appreciate that. That is really, really good. Oh my god, that is sexy. Now, do they want to give me magnum ammo? Or is that like only available like 2 times in the game and I got them both? If this was closer, I'd give it a go. Should we try it? Okay, I'm gonna go back and save. I'll go back and save and we can try it. Wait, I want to be close. I want to be close-ish. Oh. Oh my god, didn't even kill me! So knives don't work, but grenades do. And the barrels don't kill you. Which is great news. Ah. Alright. Oh, I can deal with you. Only like a few thousand pieces of ammo. Okay. Fucking hell. That was stupid. Why did I do that? Oh! Oh my god, where the fuck did you come from? Let's go over here and dance. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need you to slow down. Come on. Not bad. Not bad. I'm glad that I have some... Oh my god, wait. Did they set that off? I'm so glad I didn't turn that off. That's great. I'm glad that I have somehow figured out how to kind of use the environment. Because I think I panic a lot and I just like go all guns blazing, panic, balls to the walls, all that vibe. But we are using barrels. We're using stuff. Is any of this making sense? Exciting. We should have another break maybe in 10 minutes, I think the other one will be. A ladder. We've been up there. That's fine. I'm such like a loot bitch. Like I can't help it. I'm like, I need the loot. Okay, what happens if I turn you around? Where do you go? You know what? That's fine. I can live with that. Smart girl. Watch enemies come out of here and I have to run that way. Okay, there's treasure here. Why did I look up? It's the in-life dodging and shit. Alright. Let's make sure we are reloaded. I don't know what we need. Okay, we ready? You ready? Oh, okay. There's still shit to do. Go after Ashley. Oh, can we go through these doors? No? Then why put them there? Adam. Okay. Good for you, my guy. You be Adam. And you be proud. Oh, there she is. Cool. Okay, I don't think there's anything
Ashley!
here. Sorry, Ashley. Ooh. Oh, that's embarrassing. Okay. It wasn't I. I went to clean up. I could hear you shouting. Sexy? Did I say that? What did I say? Of course I was like calling a gun or something sexy. Come on. It must have been. Isaac. Okay. Alright, this is where my lack of numerals show here. Let's just focus on Ashley. Hey, girl. Oh no, the plaga.
You have come, my child. What do you want?
I simply wish to share this gift with as many as possible. A humble
how
wish,
kind.
don't you think?
What a sweetheart. He's
You
just so
see,
generous.
We are all connected through the holy body.
Sadler, Stan.
Now your
Stream?
flesh and bones, your very thoughts, are already one with us.
Bullshit.
Why do you reject serenity when you need only accept the sacred gift? Like she did.
Ad start in 1 minute. Fuck.
Ah, yes, the time has come for this lamb to join our covenant. All blessings unto him and the sweet mercy they bring. Exalt all and let it be so.
Ada?
Leon!
Oh my god, this game. What's that noise? Oh, girly. You know? This game has really changed how I feel about her.
Ashley.
Oh. You are here.
Looks like it's this way.
Okay. Just in case the big pig guy with the machine gun is like, where am I? Oh.
The hell?
Oh god. Jesus. This is brutal.
I'm losing it.
Yeah. Oh, I thought they were already over, sorry. I'll tell you the Ada thing in a second. Jesus. Come on, Leon. Ay. They're all gonna attack me now.
God damn it.
They're not really there, so it's all fine. Oh! I can't move any faster. This game cannot be serious. Get the fuck up, sir, please. Like, I can't run. Like, I can't sprint or anything, so... This is as fast as the game will let me go. Oh, okay, another door. Oh yeah, we have the key! I forgot that this is where we were going. I've basically just been looking for treasure this whole game. I'm like, what's happening? Where are we going? Ooh, treasure.
This time,
I have to pause the stream for 1 minute. Okay.
it has to be different.
You could just leave the stream for a moment. Oh, you have an announcement to make? Okay. Well, I think this ends the chapter, to be honest.
You go first.
No way. Like I told you, I'm gonna get you home safe.
That doesn't say anything for me. I can't see a message. Oh, is it like... Oh, it's radiation. Ooh. Ow. Oh. I thought I turned off the link thing. Sorry about that. I already have House Flipper. But thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, man. Hey, chapter end. Woo! One chapter left. Just real quick before we continue this chapter. No, I really appreciate it. That's really good because if I didn't already have it, that would mean so much to me because I fucking love those games, but I do already own it. But I really appreciate it. Thank you.